The brother is asking that which is more priority, Dawah, that is inviting non-Muslims to Islam, or Islaah, that is correcting the Muslims which are making mistakes. Actually, both are important. But if you ask that you have less time and you can do only one of the two, then my reply is that if a person of heart attack comes to a doctor, or a person who comes to a doctor with a small bruise or a cut in his hand, the doctor should attend to whom? The person who has a heart attack, or a person who has a bruise or a small minor cut in the hand? But naturally, he should attend first to the heart attack, because there are high chances he will die. For the person who has a small cut, he may bleed, it may cause little pain, but the chance of him dying is very, very, very negligible if it's a normal cut. So similarly, the best is doing both Dawah and Islaah, but if your time is restricted and if two are in front of you, but naturally speaking to a non-Muslim and trying to get him closer to Islam, removing the shirk in his life and getting him closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that he enters Jannah, will take more priority than doing Islaah to a Muslim getting him closer to Islam. But the best is doing both. But between the two, but natural Dawah, according to me, carries more priority.